Yes, Hassan Hussein. Count how many birds on your branch? Two. Oh, yes, Hassan, you count how many birds on your branch? Four. Okay, these are more. And these are less. Yes. More, less. Hassan, paste your branch on. Yes, very good. Good job. Yes. Yes, Hussein. Look at me. Look. Paste your branch on left side. Yes. बस paste कर दे. Very good. Yes. Ishal and Zoha. Count how many apples on your tree. Count. 6. And you count how many apples on your tree? 3. Okay. Yes. Your apples are more. And your apples are less. Very good. Paste your tree on the more side. Thank you. And Ishan, you can paste your tree on this side. Left side. Yes, very good. Yes, Musa, count how many fishes in your aquarium. And you? 7. Very good. Okay, paste your aquarium in left side. Musa, go. Paste over here. Paste it. Yes. Now paste your aquarium over here on more side. Yes. Yes, Amir Ijaz and Muhammad Ans. Amir Ijaz, count how many eggs in this nest. And Ans, count how many eggs in this nest.
1.
These are more. And these are less. More, less. Yes, Amir Ijaz, paste it on the board. Yes, on more side. More group. Yes. Yes. Very good. And Muhammad Ans, you can paste your nest on less group. Very good. Good job.